only merging feature may be patterned. So for that, scroll down and then click on this box bodies, then select this ball and press OK button. So bearing is ready. Change the appearance of bearing. Press OK button. Now click on this outer face and then select revolve. Change its color to. Press OK button. Now save this bearing. The bearing number is 6202. Save it. Now we have to design the outer casing of this motor. So for that, again start from new part and then sketch on front plane and draw a center line from origin. Now draw another line, start it from here. Press escape button and then select both of these lines, make their relation equal. Now define the dimensions. This diameter is 70 millimeter. This height is 3 millimeter and this height is 5 millimeter. This length is also 5 millimeter and this length is 60 millimeter. Press escape button, select this origin and this point, make the relation vertical. Select both of these lines and make their relation collinear. Now our sketch is fully defined, so we can apply a revolved boss base feature on it. Press OK button. Click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard. Draw a line and start it from this quadrant. Now draw a 3-point arc. Press escape button. Select this point and then this point. Make their relation coincident. Now select this arc and this circle, make their relation concentric. Now define the radius of this arc, which is 30 millimeter. Now define this length and it is 20 millimeter. Our sketch is fully defined. So go to features tab and then apply a extruded boss base feature. From here, thin features, drop down these options and select mid plane and type the thickness, it is 1 millimeter. Now double click on this face and press OK button. From here select fillet command. Now select this corner, one by one select all these corners. Fillet radius is 10 millimeter, so press OK button. Drop down this option and then select this sketch and edit it. Press Ctrl plus 8 key to normal to change this radius. Instead of 30, type here 31 millimeter. Now press this button to save and exit from sketch. Click on this button below the linear pattern command and then select circular pattern. Drop down these options. Select extrude thin 1 and fillet 1. Now click on this box and select the circular edge. So these are the number of poles for our motor, and the quantity is 6. Press OK button to save. Now save this part as outer casing. Now we have to draw the side covers of motor. So for that, start from a new part and then sketch on front plane. Draw a center line started from origin. Now draw another line like this. Now define the diameters. This bore or diameter is 13 millimeter. This diameter is 30 millimeter. This is the bearing size. So for the diameter of this seat, we have to check the outer casing. Click on sketch and then select smart dimensions. Now select reference dimension and then check this diameter. So if the radius is 35, it means the diameter is 70 millimeter, and this diameter is 86 millimeter. And this diameter is 86 millimeter. This length is 3 millimeter and this length is 10 millimeter. Now define this length and it is 2 millimeter. So our sketch is now fully defined. Go to Features tab and apply revolved boss base command. Press OK button to apply this command. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to and draw 2 circles. Start them from origin. Now define them. Distance from this circle to this circle is 3 millimeter. This distance is also 3 millimeter. Now select line and start it from origin. Another line started from origin. Select both of these lines, make their relation equal, and then select both of these points, make their relation horizontal. Now define the distance from this point